Hi, welcome to Cora's Big Ideas. And we are going to make some slime today. Like always. Well, first, I have just a few that we made in here. It's turning to water. Isn't that a cool experience? That is so cool. And then we are going to make one of these. I wonder if you guys know which one I'm going to make. It's one on this side. That's your clue. So, clear slime. We are going to do this one today. And first step, the first one. So,
slime recipe.
No, I'm doing this one.
Fruit slice slime.
We are gonna make fruit slice slime, and the first thing says add.
Half a bottle of clear glue.
Okay, hold on. Where's the clear glue? Here's clear glue. So we are going to use some clear glue. I don't know if you can see where it says clear glue. Wait. I don't even see it. That's okay though. And while we're waiting, I think we might use some of these. You know we like these, don't you? So we need clear glue, and I think we need our bowl, our mixing bowl. Okay, our bowl. Half a button. Okay, we'll just use the rest of it, I guess, because it's already like halfway there. Mom, do I just use the rest of this because it says halfway there? So the rest of it says halfway there. Okay, I'm just going to use the rest of it because, how do I get this to work? I think something is wrong with it. Let's see. We're just going to try and, let's see. It's not really working. I don't know. My mom might be able to see. I think we have the lid on. That's what it is, I think. And we do not have any clear glue. So if
she's clear glue.
Okay. That was just the lid on. Luckily, we did not have to do something.
Very cool, Rose.
Got a song stuck in my head. Gross, get out of there. Gross. That's a whole chunk.
What do you want to do?
There, I think that's enough. Jiggle. Big bubble. We got a big bubble. This week?
Oliver's birthday.
My brother's birthday is on Wednesday. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. Come on. Too bad because I go to school every day in the week, which is kind of bad because I won't have to come to his birthday party. I think I might get to stay home just for that day. Come on, you're not going to cut off, are you? You're just never going to end. Good. I might have to use one of our extra spoons. Just take that down. And I'm just going to put that down just for now. And we're going to remember this little guy, you're a mealie. Let's put you on. on, blend it the wrong way.
Yeah? In here.
And then we put this lid on, the giant lid. Yeah. And then let's just maybe stir it up a little. Stir, 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 stir. And then I'm pretty
On.
I see those cows.
clear glue and
What's a cow say?
25 ml water into. Okay, 25. We need our cup. 55. 25. I guess we'll just have to. Now let's see this again. One more time. Wait, am I on the wrong side? Yeah, I'm on the wrong side. 50. Okay. We need 25 ml here of water.
Okay. Man, your nails are super dirty.
And my mom is getting that. Pretty sure that will be coming in a second. My brother's watching Tractor Dad. It's a basic thing. And then I'm pretty sure we mix so into bowl and mix well. Okay, we'll mix this up. And that gets super light. Ew, that's gross. Ew, look at it. Ew, no one likes that water. Let's mix well, mix well, mix well, mix well, mix well. I changed my earrings. Aren't they cute? I just changed them since the bees are going away. Which is sad. Why are you going away? That's actually sad. And then after, we'll add glitter and okay, glitter. We are gonna use some glitter, like it said. Glitter. Mommy, it's on. What color should I use? I'm just gonna use. Here. It's way down there. We grab you. We are going to use, I think, orange or red. That's orange to you guys. I don't know. That's orange to me
You
too.
can sit on this. Don't climb around.
We're gonna pour a little bit
There were no upon you, okay?
there. That's enough. And then I'm pretty sure we mix it. So we're glitter. Where's it? Glitter. And or food coloring and mix well. Okay, food coloring. The food coloring is going to be orange. Ooh, that's yellow. But that looks orange. I'll just use it. Wait. Oh, that's red. Darn it.
Sit down. You just fell.
Maybe I'll mix it. Maybe it doesn't turn out well. That's all my fault. Okay. Now let's mix it well. Mix it well. Ooh, that turned out yellow. We're gonna add some red. Ooh, it's kind of orange.
I don't want my scissors in Play-Doh.
Okay, now let's try this. Please turn orange. It's turning orange! Yay! Hip hip hooray! Okay, and oh, she said mix well. On it. Mix them. Look at that color. Isn't that orange? So orange. It's like for whatever. What the babies eat from carrots. Okay. And then it says
You want an apple?
and this was using the proven. Wait, is this it? Okay, this is not it. I don't think it's it. Using the proven. What's that word?
Provided.
Is this provided?
So using the provided measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
That one. Oops. Careful. Measure 15 milliliters of detergent. You still have detergent? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Is this
so,
it?
Yep. Do it to the 15.
Wait, there's no 15
Oh, so then go between the 10 and the 20.
in between that.
Yeah, halfway. Oh, don't put that in.
Can you help me? Can't open it. We are gonna use the yellow. I don't remember.
Do you want me to pour it or you?
I got it. So, why do you keep? Woo, buddy. I'm feeling it. Okay, that's probably. Yeah, it's enough. Look at that. Woo. Then pour it in. Yep.
You might have to like do this so they can see. Like I'll do this part so they can see. Because you're talking about it being orange, they can't see it. There we go.
Here. Just put it down. I can do it.
I'm just trying to
Oliver!
Oliver, no. This is Cora's experiment.
And I hope this one does not turn into water.
Sit down in the chair, please.
Fingers crossed, everybody. Just fingers crossed. I'm joking. And that, wait. I'm using
It's so
the meteor cup. Use
Yeah, you might have to lift the bowl up too and show them.
amount. Oliver, stop.
Mommy, Daddy.
That's Cora's toy, okay, Opie?
No.
Can you please sit down and eat your crackers? Oh, you want me to get your apple?
Yeah.
This is mix, so that
You want a
mix,
big one?
mix it. This makes it turn into slime. And get ready, everybody. We're gonna use our hands. Well, not you guys, but like I would.
No. Pink.
Yeah, it's for sure sticking.
Pink.
It does
Ooh,
look
it's
cute.
kind of mix.
Red?
It's getting heavy. Oh,
Bad.
Red.
I'm afraid.
Good job, Oliver.
I'm kind of
He's
afraid.
getting better, isn't it? For sure.
Ooh, look how big it's getting.
I don't like that.
The skin. You want me to take the
Okay,
skin off?
actually, so each time mix with mixing for 2 seconds.
You want me to take the skin
20
off?
seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oops,
The skin.
I did that. 30. Ooh, this might not turn out good. Okay. 20 seconds. Okay, this is the third thing. We have 4 things. Mommy. Yeah. My mom's gonna help me read this part.
Okay, no more skin. What do you say?
And look, while we're eating and growing teeth. Isn't that amazing? That's so cool.
What do you want me to tell you?
So,
Knead with hands. If the slime is too sticky, we have to add more detergent. So maybe roll up your sleeves and then get your hands up.
okay, we're gonna roll up my sleeves a little. And we're gonna do, it's actually, ooh, it's like peaches. Oh, it's kind of sticky. Mommy, it's kind
Oliver,
of
sit down. I don't want you to
sticky.
fall.
Kind of sticky.
Mommy, look. Watch. 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 Right.
Whoa. That's fun Play-Doh, Ruby. Wow, that's so cool. So if
It's too sticky. Add more detergent.
if the slime is too sticky, add a little bit more soap. So did you add 15? What's this left over? Maybe it needs a little bit more soap.
Color. Color, look.
Oh my gosh. My sister just added clay together. See, she just added clay together. And look how sticky
Is it still
is.
sticky?
It's still.
Okay, add a little bit more.
And then we add more. And my mom has to do it because I don't have any hand. Joking, I have hands, but like, it's hard. Like that one time when they got so stuck. And she just created a present. She's just 4 and she created that. Oh, Oliver, you might want... Mom! Yeah? Oliver has the detergent. Oliver, put it down, please. Good, Mommy. Put it down. He's just one. You heard what I said. His birthday's on Wednesday, luckily.
Oh, shucks.
Oh, that's slime turning into water.
Ow.
Sit down. You're gonna fall again. Sit down, please.
I want to name this one whatever I want. I'm going to call it Peaches Slime.
Yeah. No, don't put it in your mouth because Cora put glue on it.
Ew, it's soapy. It's soapy. It's super soapy.
Okay, so now it says if it's too soapy, knead it with your hands, continuously roll the slime into a ball.
Okay. Bolly, we need a bolly. We need a ball.
Oh my gosh, your nails are so dirty.
Watch this.
Oh, Oliver, don't pour that out.
Oh,
Oh, man.
my brother just did something horrible. Squishy.
No, hold on, don't move. It's going to drip in.
She just created like something. It's just something. It's clay. It's a ball. It's hard. What is it? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Bingo.
All right, I tried to save as much as I could.
Apple.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. And then another one. It's even.
Okay, we don't
The
dump out.
last one it was
Oh,
flat,
thank you
but
very much. Here, eat your
now
apple.
a ball. She's doing like we're working on a ball. Well, you guys aren't, but I am. Look how soapy that is. That's just from last time. I don't. Ooh, now I
couple
see
more
the
minutes,
sparkles.
Cora.
I don't know. Can you see this? Oh,
For a couple minutes, then to eat.
see the sparkles, kind of. I don't know if you can see it. And then there's my sister again. Ooh, this time there's waves in it. Ooh, I don't know if it's dry. My brother's watching Chester Ted. Makes me distract. Woo, 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 woo,
Wrap
woo.
it up, bud.
Okay, Mommy. Ooh, it's so goodness. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Squeeze. You come on it.
Is it raining?
And
It might just be like the stuff hitting the roof.
then whoop, whoop.
Oh, did you see the new toy catalog came from Target?
It's so cool.
You want to take a look at it?
And then did I tell you
Whoa.
its name?
Look at
Well, I'll
it.
just
Look
tell you
at
that.
this.
Can I see it?
It's
Alright, Cora.
it's what's it called? It's mango slime. Yeah, mango slime. Even though it doesn't smell like. And then, she made it a loop this time. Oh, I don't know. Is it dry or not? Ooh, she keeps adding stuff. Ooh, I don't know. I do not know. Okay, it's still pretty soapy. So turn it into a ball.
Leftover SpaghettiOs?
I will. We're having dinner in a minute, so I better hurry up.
Ruby, do you want these SpaghettiOs? The stars?
My mom. What?
Do you want these SpaghettiOs, Ruby? The stars?
No.
Do you want these?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Alright, it's time to show them what we gotta
Okay,
eat and need to
we
do.
are just going to put this in a container, and
Yeah.
then we're done. And we have to name it. Do you know what I named it? Do you remember? If you don't remember, I'm
Can
going
I
to
show
tell you
them something?
one last time. She added more. Ooh, I don't know. Is it a playground with the tires on it? I don't know.
Try.
What's something that we do at the end of a project, though? Tell your viewers, don't forget, at the end when you're playing with something, you have to
We are going to wash my hands off.
clean up and put away.
There's one thing we have to do last. Clean up and put away.
Look, guys.
Worst thing. Kind of. Now I have soap, kind of.
Very good job.
Woo, woo, woo.
Look,
Alright, say
guys.
goodbye.
Bye.
Look, guys. Before you go